So we'll start from the home screen of Fidelity. Then we go to the tab up here, Products, down to Fixed Income, Bonds, and CDs. Here, we just click Search for Investments, and it will show a list of different bonds and loans that we can buy. So you'll see here, for example, there's US Treasury bonds. 3-month has an interest rate of 5.38%, 6 months 5.21%, all the way out to 20 years for 4.34%, or 30 years as well. So to buy these, we just go up here, go to New Issues, which are newly issued bonds, scroll down, and you see here there are Treasury options. So let's expand this. And now we see a number of different Treasury bills and bonds that we can buy. The difference between these are primarily the maturity date, which is when the bond is repaid back to you. So for example, if we buy this bond that matures on April 18th, 2024, that's a 3-month Treasury bill, which means you buy 10,000 now, you're paid an interest of 5.32%, although that's divided by about 4. So this is the annual interest rate here. So you'll get a fourth of this since this is a 3-month bond. And then on April 18th, you're going to be repaid your original investment plus interest. You can also, for example, buy a bond, Treasury bond, that matures in November of 2043. So that's going to be a 20-year Treasury bond. So it's a much longer maturity date, which means your money will be locked up and earning interest for 20 years at a rate of about 4.323%. So let's say, for example, you want to buy the 3-month Treasury bill. We click here, and it takes us to a page with some details about the bill. Again, this is the expected yield or interest rate, and this is the maturity date, again, April 2024. So let's say if we want to buy this, we select the account we want to buy it in, and then we can choose how much we want to buy. One bond equals $1,000 in face value, which means if we want to buy 10,000, for example, $10,000, we want to buy 10 bonds. Auto roll means at the end of the 3 months, when this 3-month Treasury bill matures, do you want Fidelity to basically buy another 3-month Treasury bill? You can either choose yes or no. Generally, I recommend choosing yes, especially for shorter term, fast maturity bills, because you probably want to buy another 3-month Treasury bill at the end of the period. Fidelity will always email you to ask whether you want to roll or not, regardless, but this just makes it a little bit easier, and the default answer will be yes. So then you can preview your order. Here you can see, again, we're buying 10 bonds, $1,000 face value each, so $10,000, an annual interest rate of 5.32%, and the auto roll is turned on yes. So we can just click place order. It's a pretty simple process. You just have to make sure you go to the right place. Again, on the original page, you go to products, fixed income bonds and CDs, search for investments, and then scroll down and go to new issues to buy newly issued Treasury bills.